Welcome to the modern world of AS400. Easier, faster, and better access to data that matters the most. Accessing their AS400 systems from a mobile, tablet, or PC has been a distant dream for enterprises. With 5250 green screens, enterprises often face challenges around productivity, lack of automation, limited access, and of course, the overall happiness quotient of the user base. While most of your users would be looking at modern applications like Airbnb, Instagram, Expedia, etc. outside their work, they have to still look at the multi-decade-old green screens in the office. If this is a business problem that you would like to solve, you need to consider 4 fundamental factors to decide on the front-end modernization technique which will make the most contextual sense for you. First, understand the scale at which you would like to modernize the system and check the number of screens and process flows. Second, decide on the timeline for moving your users to the modern system. Third, build versus buy evaluation to plan for modernization tools that can be leveraged. And fourth, create a training plan for the users who will move from 5250 to the modern screens. Once you have done the first level of evaluation, you can choose one from the 4 AS400 modernization pillars that would suffice your use case. Screen refacing. Direct 5250 to HTML conversion using tools. Zend PHP server. Using Zend 5250, bridge with AS400. RPG open access. Open access calls using tools. API framework. Leverage REST APIs with new screens. You would have realized by now that none of these modernization techniques touches your underlying AS400 system. Rather, they work as a wrapper around it. Once you enter the modern world of AS400, you would notice an immediate improvement in system accessibility, where your system can be extended to the web and mobile, happiness quotient of users, productivity and process efficiency. With a system modernization, you can now think of future strategies towards automation, data engineering, and many other initiatives that you would have had in your wish list for years. AS400 modernization is an art. Modernize today and breathe life into your 5250 green screens.